Mrs. Kafoops. Hey guys, this is Mrs. Kafoops and Lily, and we are unboxing.
Hold on.
What is it? It's a Wrapple. Okay, let's try and get this thing open.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? So loud.
Oh my goodness.
So loud.
It is so loud.
I'm gonna hold my ears.
Oh my goodness. That was a lot of tape.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll see if we can get this.
Use these scissors, use these scissors.
Hang on. Do you think I need the scissors?
I think you do.
Okay. We'll see if we can get it off of there. Oh, I don't think we need them. Right, yeah, I might. Alright.
It's cutting off the girl.
I hope not. Okay.
Whoa, the wobble's so big. Come on, little thing, come on.
Okay.
I can feel her.
You can feel her.
Yeah, get her out.
Oh, wait on. She's stuck at the back there.
She wants to come out right now.
I think she does want to come out right now.
I can feel her hair. I can feel her unicorn horn show. Let's turn her on.
Hang on. I'm just unwrapping this little thing at the back. She looks pretty cute.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, get her out. Get her out. She's a little cutie.
She is a little cutie. We have to get her out of there.
Guess you need scissors. I want you to use the scissors. Just mix the...
Okay. What is where on earth? That's not very good. We can't hold the scissors like that. We need to be safe with the scissors, don't we?
Yeah. Oh, hello, little cutie.
He doesn't want to get out of his little home.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, there we go. Wait on. Here it comes. Here it
Hi.
comes. Oh, there we go.
Oh, no,
Wait on. We'll get this string on. Oh, wait on. Wow. Look, it's like a pet. Here, put your arm in. Put your arm out straight there. And then I will just get his thing off of there. Oh, now you can show everybody. Do you like your little pet?
Yeah,
Does he light up or something?
turn it on. You've got batteries.
We have to put the batteries in.
I'll take it. I want to take it off.
Okay.
I want to hold it. How do you unwrap it?
You unwrap it like this. It's got a bit of Velcro under there. And then you can stretch him out like this.
I want to click it. How do you click it?
Oh, it's sort of like a slap band, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's hold it like this.
You could. It's like a big stick.
I want to hold it like this. So.
Okay. We'll show everybody. Maybe he's not switched on yet. Okay. Okay, so we figured out how to turn on our Wrapple. There was a little on-off switch just in here. So we flipped it on. And there he is. Would you like to try it on?
Yeah.
There he is. You've got your special little friend.
Can I pet him?
You can pet him. Oh, he's so adorable. So now you've got your Wrapple friend.
So cute.
What are you gonna call him?
Put Luna. Because Luna's one of the special ones.
Cute. Well, I hope you enjoy him. Bye.
Bye.